Alright, I'm going down to the basement. Alright, play Modern Warfare 2, tornado sounds go off. Okay. Turn off the PVRs. Shut off all this. Alright, cat, don't get pooped on. Hey, tornado things going off here. I don't know if you can get on the TV and see what's going on. Jeez. Yeah. Looks like one open. Yeah, I'm just looking out the door, it's just amazing. I'm on like the first floor, looking out the window and stuff. Ugly.